Let's make a tiger faceplate today with these materials. First, paint the back of the paper plate orange with orange acrylic paint. Make sure to paint the very edges and try not to get your table or hands dirty. If the table is covered with newspaper, that helps a ton. Also color a spare piece of paper orange. We'll need it later to cut out some ears. Next, on the dried orange plate, draw 4 spiky stripes on the edge of the plate as shown and color them in with a black marker, like how the woman's doing it. Then on the left and right side of these stripes, draw 3 more stripes on each side and color them black too. Next, paste on 2 eyes and draw a tiger nose in, complete with a mouth. Now take out your orange paper and cut out 2 ears from the corners as shown. Cut the edges to form triangles with rounded sides and color a half of each ear with black marker. Then glue on the bottom of the ears to the top of the tiger's head. And you're done making a tiger fit to crouch in the jungle. Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.